Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, as usual from this deck for your daily reading, for your career situation and love reading, guys. So first, for your daily reading, I have picked 3 cards, guys, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking 2 cards from this deck. So this is for your career situation and this is for your love reading, and 1 card from the wisdom oracle deck. So that is an oracle's guidance. So if we follow this guidance, it will make things go in a better way, guys, in our day-to-day life. So this is the card, Capricorn. I'll keep it here. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So first, for your daily energies, let's turn the cards. It's 9 of cups in reverse, it's 8 of pentacles, 9 of swords. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are making great efforts, Capricorn. So you have that intellect and skill in your situation. So the way you handle your situation, you are very attentive to each and every detail, and you have that talent and skill to handle any situation, and you are a person who does everything with great patience and attention to even smaller details. So this may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. So you may be seeing success today, guys, because of your concentration in your work and your skill and ability. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, because of some situation today in your career or in your personal life, you may feel vulnerable. You may have too many concerns. You may be thinking about something. You may be concerned about something. So those concerns or some obstacles or some worries that you have in yourself regarding some situation, that may be stressing you today. So something is making you worried and anxious. So that may again be something in your career situation, or it may be something of your personal life. So you feel vulnerable and you may feel weak because of this state of things, your circumstance. So that is what I see with this card here, guys. So some kind of stress, that may be work related stress or personal life related stress. And also in your situation today, you may have that people who are working with you, who are loyal to you, who are truthful, who are reliable, and your work may be going well. But there are few minor things that are not going according to your expectations. So some kind of mistakes it may give rise to, or some imperfections. So that is also what I see. That may be the reason for some stress or troubles in your situation today. And you may feel sleepless, guys, with anxiety or concerns in your situation. So something bothering you. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We picked 1 card. So it is the 12 of spheres, astrologer. So with this card for your career situation, Capricorn, you may be very relaxed and you are not in the mindset to do anything. So in your career you may have some opportunities to work towards success, but you are depending on others to make that effort or others to do that task for you. So at the extreme it may affect your dreams, affect you from reaching your dreams, or the people who you work with, your team. So this lethargy or this relaxed mode of handling things, that may affect the people in your life today, guys, in your work situation. This may be your energy, or this may be someone's energy. Somebody is not doing their job in your career situation. Maybe in your team someone is not putting in enough effort. That may also be the reason here for some stress you are facing today, Capricorn. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It is 10 of stars in reverse, guys, again. So this may be what your person feels about you, or what you may feel about this person. So with this card I see here things may be improving. So some kind of advantage may be there in your situation, but this may be short-lived, guys. So this is not a permanent change that you are seeing. So it may be something in your relationship, some changes you may be seeing with this person, or some changes in your general circumstance, but it is not a permanent thing. That is what I see with this card. So this is a short-lived success, guys. So to sustain that, maybe you need to put in that efforts. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your wisdom oracle guidance, guys. Chop wood. So with this card in our daily situation, so with this card, the oracle guidance for your Capricorn, sometimes big dreams are supposed to lie dormant, guys, and we should concentrate on simple things of life. So instead of daydreaming about that goals and whatever accomplishments that we need to do reach today, we can start by doing the simple things like our day-to-day mundane activities. The same way in our relationship, instead of dreaming big, we can start with everyday tasks. So whatever we can start by spending time with this person, holding hand, washing dishes together, something that will bring both of us together, that will bring that understanding and love, that will make that love grow in this connection. The same way in our career situation also, we have to move our focus from the big dreams that we have and move to that mundane course, whatever we need to do every day, day to day in our work. When we do that, we will be more humble, we will be aware of the present, and we will move one step forward in our life towards success and satisfaction and fulfillment and happiness, guys. So when those big dreams manifest in our life, we will be really happy, we will have that sense of accomplishment and happiness in our life. So that is what this card is about. And also, instead of just dreaming, it is the time for making things manifest with actions, guys. So we need to get out of the chair, our chair, to make things happen. So actually do something to make those big dreams become a reality. So that is what this card is about, Capricorn, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.